Your Indigo flight got cancelled? Congrats. You've just unlocked the full buffet of human psychological chaos. 1. Loss of control. You walk into the airport with confidence, Starbucks in hand, playlist ready, trip planned to the minute. And suddenly, the board flashes cancelled. Your brain goes, wait, what? This wasn't in the script. That jolt you feel, that's your prefrontal cortex crashing and your stress hormones launching like a rocket. Humans hate losing control more than losing money. 2. Expectation violation. You weren't just expecting a flight, you were expecting reaching on time, a smooth day, life going the way you planned. When that collapses, your brain enters micro grief. Not because of the flight, but because the future you had imagined evaporates. Point number 3. Cognitive overload. Suddenly you are doing 5 tasks at once. Calling customer care, refreshing the app, hunting alternative flights, calculating money lost, texting 12 people explaining the mess. Your brain overheats. Decision fatigue plus analysis paralysis plus panic maths all at once. This is why you start making impulsive choices, like booking another flight for triple the price. Point number 4. High stakes consequence spiral. Yes, you are upset at Indigo, and your brain goes into a spiral of the consequence of what you endured and lost. You weren't just traveling casually. You had a purpose, interview, exam, wedding, client meet, visa ceremony. There might have been something else. And you lost that because of an entity at the end. 5. Collective panic absorption. Airports are emotional pressure cookers. You don't just witness panic, you internalize it. The raised voices, the frustration, the disappointment in the air. Your brain mirrors all of it automatically. Your calm dissolves in the room's emotional climate. Like a storm you're standing inside. 6. Anger as control theater. Anger is real, not a disguise. And here's the truth. You're angry because of uncertainty, created by an external entity that threatens your stability. When something outside your control can derail your entire life today, the brain reaches for the emotion that feels powerful. So anger becomes a performance of control in a situation when you have none. Typing rants, raising voice, pacing like you've already filed an FIR, that's all a testament of that. It's fear dressed up as unfiltered rage, because rage feels safer than helplessness. 7. System shutdown mode. After 30 minutes of please stay on hold, no available seats, we request your patience, still checking, your nervous system hits a quiet wall. Not panic, not fury, just nothing. A psychological shutdown state. Point number 8. Trust erosion. Your brain stores the cancellation as a warning. Unreliable, risky, stressful. Next time you book a flight, that memory pops open automatically. That tiny hesitation in your stomach, that's psychological trust erosion doing its job. Point number 9. Anticipatory anxiety. One bad travel day creates a pattern. Now every trip begins with, what if it gets cancelled again? Should I go 5 hours early? Should I even take this airline? Your brain starts pre-predicting disaster. That's anticipatory anxiety. Your mind future-proofing you in the most stressful way possible. 10. Identity threat. This one hits quietly. If the cancellation makes you miss something important, your brain drags it into self-worth. I look irresponsible. I look unprofessional. I failed someone. Even though it wasn't your fault. This happens. Psychology is rude like that. And for more such insights, subscribe to Psyche Abridged.